This short video will show you how the advanced integration works between Fixflo and Reapit when an issue is resolved using the Fixflo workflows. The issue will be reported on Fixflo either by the occupier, or alternatively you will raise this for them. Both the agent and the occupier will receive an email at the time that the issue is reported. The issue will then sit both on your Fixflo site and on Reapit as a works order. On Fixflo, the issue will have the status reported, and on Reapit it will be at the status pending approval. The issue will be resolved on Fixflo using the workflows available. Once the issue has been sent on to the contractor, then the works order will be automatically updated on Reapit to the status raised. Once the issue has been resolved, it will be closed on Fixflo. This will then update the works order on Reapit and it will have the status completed. The following information will sit on Reapit: the issue title, the completed date, the associated contractor, the works completion feedback to the agent, the net cost, and the VAT cost. Further, the invoice submitted by the contractor and the summary PDF of the issue will sit on Reapit. This will pull through from Fixflo. The invoice will sit in Reapit as a supplier invoice. As contractors can upload invoices when they complete jobs on Fixflo, we would recommend that you amend your invoicing settings on Fixflo, ensuring that contractors always upload an invoice when completing a job. Administrator users can do this within Fixflo by clicking on Setup, Settings, and expanding the General tab. From here, they will need to select either Uploaded or Generated within Fixflo, or Generated within Fixflo on the drop-down. This setting must then be saved here. A full audit trail of the issue will be available on the Audit tab of each issue on Fixflo. Thank you for watching.